right, guys, I cannot believe that. I know I'm gonna get a lot of crazy comments. I'm gonna get a ton of crazy comments, but the Skunk 2 exhaust is on its way out, guys. I'm gonna miss the Skunk 2 Mega Power, I really am, but I just miss the motor sound. But no hate on Skunk 2. It's going to better hands now, and I'm gonna be getting a mod to trade for it. So just have the muffler to get off, and I have to get a new gasket for the header, pretty much, the flange right there, and then I need to get some spring bolts for this because I lost mine. I don't know what the heck I did with them, but I gotta get those things ASAP, and I'm losing daylight, so. The fart can goes bye-bye. Truly showing my age being done with the whole like loud Honda thing, but I'm gonna get hella hate, but it is what it is, guys. I don't know if it's picking it up, but look at all this rain, guys. We in the Scooby gang. Look at this thing, man. This is the Scooby life. Getting here to McDonald's right now. Just a quick little, kind of little dinner tonight, snack type deal. I'm not really too hungry. I'm kind of feeling like crap. She's feeling like crap. She's feeling like total doo-doo. When you get to the drive-thru and you don't know what you want. Like, coming out to this Subi, guys. It's really early right now, but got some stuff I got to take care of today, because today is the day that I'm gonna be getting the new part, and today is also kind of a sad day because I'm gonna be getting rid of one of my favorite exhausts that I've ever put on my car. So stay tuned. So the lady had to bring me back to the whip. I was super sketched out about leaving this thing parked in this lot overnight. Ooh. Man, she's... It's just a fucking Honda. I know you heard that. Seriously though, this thing looks so clean in this type of weather. Let's see if this button will work. Oh, figures, huh? Guess my battery's dead on that. Back to the stock roots. Oh yeah. All right, guys, just got home. Got the exhaust under this tarp here. Hopefully it didn't get too wet, even if it did. Surprisingly, she's looking pretty clean for just ripping her on the highway and everything. I try to keep my distance away from like big trucks and like other cars so I don't get too much road grime on the car, because the black paint is so hard to clean, guys. You literally got to hand wash it and then wax it to make it shine. And I know my paint is shot. A little update on what's going on here. I know you're not seeing the breather, and I know you're not seeing the caps that block this off, and I'm gonna explain that to you guys when I get my new intake set up. But the car was kind of running like doo-doo, I'm not gonna lie. So stay tuned for that. I will be explaining that. Between the intake setups right now, I have two that are in mind, and I'm gonna get so much hate because the one intake I'm looking at is actually a short ram intake. Did it get any wet? No, it didn't. Look at that. The exhaust is great and everything, but like, I'm more of a motor. I'd rather hear a motor over an exhaust type person, and I got this thing for a really cheap price, so I figured, hey, why not try it out, you know, do a review on it, see how it is. And honestly, it's a great exhaust. I was able to find the big huge box that I got this stuff in. Got this JDM Accord right here. Look at that thing. V6. All right, just rolled in. Dude, his thing is fresh, bro. All right, guys, literally just got to the spot right here. Look at this thing, dude. Fresh, man. Look at this. What's up, dude? Nice to meet you, bro. Good. Damn, man. Yeah. Look at that fitment, dude, right there. Holy shit. What are you running for rims, dude? What are those?
ESRs.
Wow. ESRs. And we got my new piece. The new piece is right there. Bringing the hood out, man.
That's right.
Yeah. Dude, look at the interior. Did you do this right here? This, like, stitching?
Yeah, me and my cousin did it.
Dude, I kind of like that. Got the new hood, guys. Look at this. Where's that C-bin? Right there. It's honestly in really good condition, except for like some minor blemishes, but I'm gonna try to fix this thing up a little bit. Obviously, there's a little bit of damage on the edges, but I'm gonna use some like silicone or adhesive for that so I don't screw anything up. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with this, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna miss the hell out of the skunk too, but it's time for something else. All right, she's all loaded up, ready to go. I'm super surprised we got it to fit horizontally in the back here, but for coupes, these cars have so much room, dude. What's going on back here, man? What do we...
Things don't stay.
Better than bolts, right? Or screws. Got the hood in, all good. All right, guys, now I have like an hour and some change of a ride home. How you hanging in back there? Good? Skunk 2 is in better hands now. Somebody who's actually gonna like really want it and love it. As far as the next exhaust, guys, I honestly have no idea what else I would upgrade to. I'm just gonna run the stock exhaust for a while. Maybe get a custom exhaust. I know Vibrant sounds good, a Vibrant muffler with something. The one thing I love about the Honda community or the Acura community, whatever, is the parts are endless, guys. If you need parts, they're just literally like a text message away, or you just find it through networking or whatever. And I gotta tell you, I love my freaking subscribers, man. You guys are always looking out for me and give me some pretty good deals. So shout out to all you guys who have been pretty much helping me and sticking with me through this process. Let's get to 10K. Probably gonna do another giveaway at 10K. It's gonna be sweet. And I'm pretty much gonna be running the K20 until it like dies, until it needs a rebuild. And then I can either decide if do I want to stay with the K20, maybe beef up the internals, or if I want to do my K24A Frankenstein build. That 359, dude. I'm honestly gonna pay with cash today, save a little bit of money. Fucking leaves everywhere, all on my bumper. This is unacceptable. Front lip, repping that $10 life. It doesn't really matter the mods you have on this thing, man. This thing is still fun no matter what. Like, I'm pretty much stock right now, Flash Pro and header, and this thing still picks up, and it is super fun to rip around the corners. Just pulling into the crib right now. All right, so let's get this carbon fiber trunk out of here, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this thing up. To show you guys the little imperfections more, but right here there's a little bit of cracking, and up towards the tops it's kind of bent and there's some peeling, but it's honestly in not bad condition, guys. Underneath here, this is the only serious thing, guys. It's starting to peel back a little bit, but like I said, if I put some adhesive or something around that, it'll be pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off, maybe spray some degreaser underneath it, and get this thing all cleaned up. So these goddamn leaves won't leave my car alone, man. Look at this, blocking the whole grill. gonna let this thing dry for a little bit, and your boy needs to eat something because I didn't even have breakfast yet. All I had was coffee this morning, so I'm getting real hangry. I know you guys probably get hangry too, which is hungry and angry at the same time. So I'm gonna let that dry, run in, stir up some breakfast real quick. All right, guys, hood is all dried up. I put some quick wax on that, and now we need to come over here and work on taking the stock hood off. And to get this off, it's pretty self-explanatory. You have 2 bolts on this side, and then you have 2 on that side, which are 10 millimeter. Just working on getting the stock hood off, and I got this thing off. It truly is so crazy, the difference in weight between the two. Like, this thing is literally like a freaking feather, guys. Gotta run the K series with no hood. I honestly don't even know how I feel about this, guys, but drop your comments down below if you want me to keep this, or let me know if you guys want me to not run this. But it's decent. I don't know, I just don't know how I feel about it with black. Like, I don't know, you guys drop your comments down below. To be honest, I'll probably end up selling it for something else, so let me know what you guys think. Got everything done that I wanted to today. The carbon fiber hood is officially on. It looks decent. Am I gonna keep it, or am I gonna go back to OEM? But just when I say it's done, I'm always swapping parts or whatever, but that's just me. This is the build. If you guys don't like it, I don't know what to tell you. For all the OGs, you guys are awesome. If you guys like this video, shoot me a like. Drop all your comments down below on what you think of today's video, what you think of the build. I'm still deciding on intakes, guys. I got 2 in mind. I don't know if I'm going colder yet. We'll see what happens. Subscribe for some more Honda content, guys. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching.